Hello, esta noche vamos a presentar las 15 oraciones relacionadas con vocales y consonantes del alfabeto fonético IPA. Vamos a empezar con la primera oración. I have the keys of the car. I have the keys of car. Ok, vamos con la siguiente oración. La tenemos por aquí. This is a car. This is a car. This is a car. Okay, this is a cat. Sorry, this is a cat. Okay. Con la siguiente. My dog is there. My dog is there. Okay. Let's continue. Process phone. There is the station train. That is a station train. Okay. That is the station train. Let's continue. The zoo of the city is big and nice. The zoo of the city of big as nice. Nice. Okay, very good. Let's continue. She doesn't like to watch television. Okay. She doesn't like to watch television. Let's continue. Okay. The beer is very cold. The beer is very cold. Okay. I don't want a red ball. I don't want a red ball. Okay. You are going to paint. You are going to paint. Okay. We are very short. We are very short. Okay. You help me buy a bike. You help me buy a bike. Okay. I want to say something. I want to say something. Okay, let's continue. They don't a lot of money. They don't a lot of money. Okay, money. Next. Okay. I like to eat fish with my children. Children. Okay. I like to eat fish with my children. Okay. Here is short and fits with his sister. Her is short and fits with his sister. Okay, we finished. Bye bye. See you later.